Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Last Friday, I had a girl spa night. Something everyone tried was these amazing masks by Mediheal. These are the Theraffin Hand Mask. They're super easy to use. So when you open them, there's this nice little soft layer on the inside, and it tells you which one is for your right hand and your left hand. So inside is all the moisture on top of that little layer. So you don't have to add anything. You just put the glove on. You just take off the little sticky tab and you're gonna stick it on so that it stays on nice and tight while you wait for the magic to happen. It comes in a box of 10, so whether you use all 10 yourself to have extra smooth hands or you do like me and share them with some friends. We had quite the array of people at my party. We had some in their teens, we had some who are 50, all different kinds of ages, different ethnicities, so you have tons of skin types, and they all were really impressed with how well this worked. So my sister-in-law really appreciated, she has eczema on her hand, and so she used this for 20 minutes, and she said she could tell a huge difference in her eczema afterwards. So they said when you first take it off, it's a little sticky feeling, but that goes away really quickly as it absorbs into your skin. So someone else had to go and wash their hands, and they were like, oh, I don't want to wash my hands after I just did this. But they said even after they washed their hands, they could tell that the softness was still there. So these things really make your hands soft, super awesome. So if you're like most of us, in the winter we get dry, chapped hands. If you want to get together with some friends, this has a super nice set of these hand masks to make your hands extra soft. And it's something fun to do together in this miserable cold winter. And that is my point of view.